Meerut, a city steeped in history but also a city that breathes sports. From producing world class athletes to crafting world renowned sports equipment, Meerut's journey as a thriving sports hub is a story of resilience, passion, and triumph. This city is where dreams take shape both on the field and in the factories. After the partition of 1947, skilled sports entrepreneurs from Sialkot, Lahore, and beyond crossed borders seeking a new home. Many found refuge in Meerut Sports Colony and Victoria Park, carrying with them generations of craftsmanship.
Before partition, the sports industry was thriving in Sialkot. So, a lot of businesses from Sialkot were exporting to all over the world. And after partition, when these people who were doing the sports business in Sialkot moved to India, initially 2-3 centers were identified for relocation of those families who were in sports business. So one of the center was Agra, then there was another center in Jalandhar, and Meerut was later on identified as a center for relocating these families. So these families had the know-how of the business. So they had buyers overseas, they had market in the domestic market also, and understanding of the technology and the product. So when they relocated here, one aspect which helped the industry to grow in the early 50s was availability of skilled labor and certain materials, people who were willing to learn, and they were able to learn very fast. So these are the main factors responsible for Meerut becoming a sports hub.
Years of struggle followed, but their determination never wavered. Slowly, they turned their skills into a thriving industry, laying the foundation for Meerut's identity as the sports city of India.
It so happened that most of the people who are entrepreneurs or manufacturers or exporters have a history of having migrated from Sialkot. So after the partition of India, which everybody knows happened in 1947, 2-3 years later, everybody came around and settled in Meerut. Struggled, settled, and finally 10-15 years तक उनको अपना बेरिंग ढूंढने में टाइम लगा कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. And after 10-15 years time, they were able to sustain themselves. 15-20 years later, they then found out their bearing and they started thinking about how to plan for the future. They were entrepreneurs. They were prepared to take a risk, you see, and they were never मतलब घबराए नहीं है वो आज के टाइम पे.
Already they were.
ये आपकी जो आज की लड़की, हाँ, they were making sports items, or they were working with somebody who was making sports items.
Today, Meerut isn't just a city, it's a global brand, home to giants like SG, SS, Nelco, Winex, BDM, SF, Premier Leggard, Stag, and many other brands, and its sports goods are used by athletes worldwide. But the impact goes beyond medals. It fuels the nation's economy.
So we were given two places for rehabilitation. One was Victoria Park, the other was a Surajkund colony. So both of the people who were refugees basically at that time, apart from SJ, we have got 7 to 8 more brands in that small colony of 50 houses. 50 houses were all earlier factories, and we were staying in two rooms. Were allowed to one family. And the factory.
That old house is still there?
Why not? It is still there.
Definitely will go and suit there.
So what I'm saying is, SG, SS.
Yeah.
You heard of them? BDM, and the 3 more BDMs now.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, we got Khalsa, Nelco, Stag, SF. So there are friends, there are brothers, there are cousins, and also competitors. But we have no such. We have healthy competition. आप समझ गए? 8 to 10 brands coming from a small area of 1 square kilometer.
And all of them flourished to almost all of
All of them have worked hard. Some of them global, some of them national, some of them have got approvals from SAI and all that. So this is the greatest amount of pride for me, at least. Having come from there, I was not born there, but I lived there, for nearly from 1950 to 1970.
With over 10,000 sports units, Meerut's industry is a cottage empire contributing hefty foreign exchange to India's exchequer. From cricket bats to athletics equipments, these exports make Meerut a silent champion in India's growth story.
मेरठ जो है स्पोर्ट गुड्स के लिए नोन फॉर है। हमारे यहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट एक्सपोर्ट एक्शन प्लान का एक सर्वे हुआ था 2 साल पहले, तो उसमें लगभग 10,000 यूनिट्स के आसपास माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम यूनिट हैं। रजिस्टर्ड और अनरजिस्टर्ड दोनों का मैं इसमें संख्या है। अगर हम देखेंगे 10,000 यूनिट्स में लगभग 2.5 लाख प्लस एम्प्लॉयमेंट है। कि मेरठ में जनरली हम लोग जानते हैं कि बैट, बॉल, फुटबॉल ये बनती हैं, बट नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो हम लोग जनरली नहीं हमने वो किए हैं, जो बाहर की कंट्रीज़ में, आउटसाइड कंट्रीज़ में स्पोर्ट्स वो खेले जाते हैं और वो उनकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हमारे यहाँ मेरठ में होती है। हमारे यहाँ जिम्नास्टिक के जो इक्विपमेंट्स हैं वो भी मैक्सिमम यहाँ मेरठ में बनते हैं। हमारे यहाँ जो ट्रेनर्स जो बहुत सारे नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करते हैं, ट्रेनिंग एथलेटिक्स की को ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड कराना है और स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को अदर स्पोर्ट्स में वो करने, वो सारे इक्विपमेंट्स भी यहाँ पर बनते हैं।
देखिए, जो मेरठ की बात है, यहाँ पे मेरठ के 25 किलोमीटर रेडियस के अंदर यहाँ घरेलू उद्योग है, ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में भी काम करते हैं। दिस इज़ द मेजर इंडस्ट्री जो मेरठ के अंदर जो सबसे ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट देती है। गवर्नमेंट को जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट की ज़रूरत है और एक्सपोर्ट भी ये करती है। लगभग स्पोर्ट्स का जो एक्सपोर्ट है 1900 करोड़ का एक्सपोर्ट है लास्ट ईयर का, जो हमारी काउंसिल की फिगर है। लेकिन बहुत सारे मेंबर्स ऐसे भी हैं जो हमारी काउंसिल के अंदर नहीं है, किसी और काउंसिल में जो करते हैं, उनका भी अच्छा खासा शेयर बैठता है। और ये लगभग 3,000 करोड़ से थोड़ी कमती की एक्सपोर्ट होती है। देखिए, एक्सपोर्ट के अंदर हमारे पास लगभग 70 यूनिट्स ऐसी हैं जो हमारी काउंसिल की मेंबर हैं, और जो हमारे पास जो फिगर अवेलेबल है उसके हिसाब से 37% जो एक्सपोर्ट है वो स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स का मेरठ से होता है।
Domestic market is having more potential because right now everybody is focusing on exports. Even you can say government also is focusing on improving how to improve exports. So the exports have less potential if you compare to domestic market, because domestic market right now is unexplored. So if government is concentrating on promoting domestic market by infrastructure or providing different kind of facilities to sports industry or to different athletes, domestic market can be increased more.
This industry isn't just about exports, it's about people. Lakhs of families depend on it directly or indirectly. For many, sports manufacturing isn't just a job, it's a tradition passed down generations.
ये फुटबॉल का काम है। लगभग 45 साल पहले हमारे बड़े लाए थे और जिला मेरठ से लाए थे। पहले हमारे गांव के जो बड़े आदमी थे, बुजुर्ग आदमी थे, उन्होंने वहाँ काम सीखा। पहले उन्हें नॉलेज हुई तो थोड़ा थोड़ा अपना कारोबार उन्होंने अपना खोलने का स्टार्ट करा काम। उन्हीं लोगों ने कुछ काम आगे बढ़ाया। मैं भी इसे काम को करते करते लगभग 20 साल 22 साल के आसपास मुझे भी इस काम को हो गई।
Meerut's magic doesn't stop at manufacturing. Its infrastructure, stadiums, tracks, and academies has bred Olympians and international stars. The city doesn't just make gear, it makes winners as well.
मेरठ में जो एक हब है स्पोर्ट्स का वो बहुत अच्छा है, और जिस तरह की ये हमारी इंडस्ट्री है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे लेवल पे काम कर रही है। चाहे वो इक्विपमेंट्स को लेकर हो, चाहे वो किट वगैरह को लेकर हो, चाहे वो ग्राउंड को लेकर हो, किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर हो, हमारे जो स्पोर्ट्स सिटी के नाम से हमारा मेरठ जाना जाता है।
Recognizing Meerut's unmatched spirit, Uttar Pradesh's first Major Dhyan Chand Sports University rose in Salawa, a hub to train future champions and to provide sports education.
मैं उत्तर प्रदेश के नौजवानों को यूपी की पहली स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। यानी क्रांतिवीरों की नगरी, खेल वीरों की नगरी के रूप में भी अपनी पहचान को और सशक्त करेगी।
Meerut is known as thriving sports city, which is producing exceptional athletes and fostering deep-rooted sporting culture, not in Meerut but in the surrounding villages and areas also. With the establishment of Major Dhyanchand Sports University, which is first of its kind, we are taking a monumental leap to elevate Meerut's profile as ultimate sports destination in India. This university will not only provide world-class training, facilities, infrastructure, but also attract top talent, coaches, sports scientists, experts from across the nation and beyond. By integrating academics, research, high performance training, we will create a holistic ecosystem that nurtures champions and strengthens Meerut's identity as the sporting hub of Uttar Pradesh.
When the Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited on January 2 in 2022, he didn't just lay a stone, he celebrated Meerut's dual triumph, crafting equipment and crafting athletes. From a shelter for migrants to a sports superpower, Meerut's journey is a testament to grit. It's a city that fuels India's economy, employs its people, and crowns its champions. As the world plays with Meerut's gear and cheers its athletes, one thing is clear: this is where the game begins.